if you could just explain me, because I don't know what to do.
Okay, take it out the helmet.
Okay.
Okay. From here, you're gonna go right.
All right.
Right.
Yep.
From here, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, then left, and come back and put the front wheel. On the bike, no feet down, no missing, no nothing. Got it?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, I didn't know. So like I had to go around.
Don't worry about it.
That's okay.
Just as done. Stay on the white line.
Okay.
Align it with the white.
All right. It's harder on this thing than I thought because they're too close. All right.
Okay. Now this one. Okay, so you missed the feet down, right? Remember
Yeah.
that? Okay. So from here, you're gonna go inside. In this between red and yellow. So from here you come down here. Got it? Then from here you're gonna keep going diagonally right here like this. Okay? Like this. And then you're gonna come down here because this is 600. Then here. After the dash here.
Okay, between
this side of the dash is yellow line.
This side, okay.
Right. Dash
But my front wheel has to pass this line, right?
Man, listen. What I'm saying is that's the only thing you listen. What I'm not talking about all the other lines. Okay. The thing I'm saying is just put you in your head. That will be easier for you because I'm not saying about the red line, nothing, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay with the dash line, yellow dash line. Stay here, or you stay here, or you stay here. But you
don't
stay
cross that. Okay.
Only this side because you have a 600. That line over there is over 600.
Okay.
So
understood.
You stay here on this side and make a U-turn until in the yellow box. And the front wheel again in that box. The red line doesn't mean that red, that white, the number.
Okay, I just don't cross the yellow. Okay, understood.
You gonna make, because you know the signal light making a U-turn, right? So you don't go that way. You won't go straight. You won't go all the way.
Got it.
You have to be turned in your lane. If you are staying on the left lane, if you're gonna turn left, then you're gonna go to the left lane. You're not gonna go to the right lane.
Okay.
That's illegal. So from there, you're gonna go inside, and then you're gonna come here diagonally, go here, and make a U-turn in the box
and stop again.
Simple,
okay,
man.
All right.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Make sure don't cross the yellow line. That one inside the yellow and red.
Okay.
White line, there's two cones.
Yes.
That's the white lines. Okay, bring the bike here. Okay. So from here, you're gonna drive 12 to 18. Earlier I told you, right? Between these two cones, the first one, right? You're gonna go straight with the red cone. Okay? When you touch the white line between the red cones, like this one is touching it, like this, with the two red cones. When you touch the white line,
when I'm between them, right?
Between the line, right? Between the cones. When you touch the white line, then you apply the brakes.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but let me understand correctly. So my front wheel has to touch the line, has to be between the lines, or the whole bike has to be between the lines. So I apply the brakes. Do I have to stop before that line?
Okay. Come on here.
Yeah. I drive.
So you're coming in the bike, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm on the bike. I'm coming in, I'm cross this one. And this one, when I get inside in here,
I apply bikes.
when the front wheel touch this one, then you apply the brakes.
And I can even stop here?
You know what does that mean?
Yeah.
What?
Like I have to apply both brakes.
Right. Why?
To immediate stop.
No, why?
Like if something happens in front of me.
Like what?
Like some kind of collision or something.
No. It's like something like I'm standing.
That's what I'm saying.
Or I'm crossing by. Right?
Okay.
Sometimes people do that.
Yeah.
Right? Passing by without looking anything.
A lot of times.
Then you are here, then what you gonna do?
Okay.
You're not gonna kill the guy.
Okay, so
Then
I just...
you apply the brake.
Uh-huh.
And the bike will stop here.
Okay.
Okay? So make sure, don't drop the bike. This is the place where the bike drop.
Okay.
So I don't want you to get panic. But just normally when you, from there, 12 to 18. Come down here, when the front wheel touch, then you apply the brake, and then the bike will stop here. That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Okay? It's called sudden stop. Like the truck, you're going on the freeway, truck suddenly stop.
Yeah.
Brake. Why? You don't know. So what you gonna do? You gonna go inside the car, in the truck?
No, I know.
What you gonna
or
do?
something.
You're
Stop
gonna apply the
immediately.
brake
Yeah,
to stop.
yeah.
Don't kill yourself.
Okay.
That's what it is.
All right, sir.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll do it. know that because
Because
I had
even
a
they
lot.
break it.
I had a lot of times when I had to stop immediately because
Right.
animals, people, kids.
Exactly, in the night time or the daytime, the truck suddenly stop,
Yeah.
the car is stopped, that's called the sudden stop. That means, how can you control the bike when you
Right.
do the sudden stop?
In like immediate situations.
If you doing the sudden stop, make sure you've got the brake, but this is only 12 to 18,
Yeah.
12 to 15.
Right.
In the freeway, you're driving 60 miles an hour.
Yeah.
How you gonna control? That's what it is,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So this was the easy one, correct?
Yeah. that
Okay,
was
now
easy.
the same thing, you're gonna be there, right? So when you come here, right?
Mhm.
Now these red lines comes in. See the red line?
Yeah.
The red line?
Yeah.
The red line.
Yeah.
You know what does that mean?
Like where I have to stop basically. It depends on speed.
No. Okay, so red line means dangerous. You cannot go straight.
Okay.
There's something wrong in the front.
Okay.
You cannot go on the side, the red. Only red talking, yellow doesn't mean anything. So the red, you cannot go there, right?
Mhm.
Because this is a red, dangerous
Yeah.
zone.
Yeah.
That dangerous zone, that's dangerous
Okay.
zone. And you cannot go straight. You biking from there, you're coming in here, you saw the same thing dangerous, they block the way. What you gonna do?
Go around it.
Go around it, showing it, right? So you gonna go either between these two lines,
Or between
from
these.
red and here, and either red or that red here.
And then I turn around.
And then you go there and stop.
Like
Anyway,
I go here, and then I stop here.
and stop here.
Okay.
Because you're gonna go back on your track.
Yeah.
You're gonna go straight.
Yeah.
But we're not going straight.
Oh, you mean that's railway? Okay, I know what you mean.
You know, you got it? So from there, you're biking it, right?
Yeah.
Suddenly the policeman block this way, block that way, and give you that much room. So you turn around, you go here, right? Let's suppose you come in here. Now you're going there. Now this is red. You cannot go there.
Mhm.
Now you're gonna come back again on your track, and then keep going, right?
So I go this way.
So, but what I want you to do from there, you come back here, you show it to the left or right. Which way you wanna go?
I'll go this way probably.
This way. So you're gonna go into the right side.
Yeah.
So you're gonna come back in here and you go there and then stop here.
Stop
Again,
and I can put my foot.
Then you after stopping here. But again, watch the traffic, okay? Don't
No,
go
I
too
will
far.
not. I will not.
Yeah, don't go too far. Otherwise, because of the traffic.
Do you want me to go the same speed and then stop
12 to
12 to 18
12
and
to 18 and then here.
but do I have to complete stop there again and then go
no,
or
no,
without
no.
stopping?
Keep going it. No stopping. Keep
Okay.
going. Continue.
Okay.
When you get down here at this is the checkpoint. Because you are here. See, from there you come down here. Then you saw the policeman block the way. And then leave you that door open, those open. Like construction going on.
Okay.
Right? So they block it this way, you cannot go there. So like 12 miles or 15 miles an hour, you come down here and then you turn your bike. Why is that dangerous? Come down here. Like park here. Got it?
My bad. I thought I had to like stop and then go and then make a U-turn.
I've been talking 30 minutes to you, man.
Okay.
No stopping there.
Don't even apply the brakes?
Why?
I just applied brakes.
No.
Okay.
So from there you come down here. You saw this like a black. What you gonna brake?
No.
On the freeway?
All right. Okay.
Right.
Should I do it again?
Just go ahead, do it again.
Okay. I'm sorry, maybe my English was the, best key.
But it's not English, man. I was trying to explain it to you. Don't break it there. I told you.
Okay.
What is so hard now? Tell me.
I just didn't quite understand. That's fine. My bad.
This is so simple, right? Just turn left and right and the zigzag. Okay. What the part you don't understand?
I thought
no.
It has to be the same thing. You
Hold
have
on,
to stop and
hold on.
Okay.
See, we were there in the first time, right?
Yeah.
I told you left, right, left, right, left, right. What's so hard into it?
I just made sure, that
No, what makes you what? Why you make sure what? What?
I just have to double check,
No, what double checking? What?
To understand if I have to go to the right or to the left first. Just to not, do anything. But that's okay. That was my bad.
Right? We are there. I told you we're gonna go right. But what is hard to? Why you asking left again? When I told you left, to the right. First right, then left, then right, then left, then right, and then come back here and put. What is so hard about it?
Nothing.
Okay. The second thing what I told you, right?